2024 Akins Ford F250 Limited Covert Edition. The pinnacle of the Super Duty segment is found right here. This is Brian Comer from South Kakalaki's amazing rendition right here. So fired up about this truck for good reason, because it looks so much like the truck I currently have right now. The paint package is almost identical. Let's go over that first, then we'll dive into the rest of the details. You can tell side badge texture removed on this part right here, a gate black 250 money setup. Mirrors, again, perfection. Just a lower part, removed texture, a gate black, kept the chrome cap. It balances out so well with our amazing wheel tire combo. 22x11, zero offset. This is a perfect combo. I love it on 37, 12.5, 22. Nitto Ridge Grapper, the hybrid tire, meaning hybrid is in between a all-terrain and a mud terrain. It looks aggressive but rides like an all-terrain. But when you talk about ride quality and looking at the Carly E-Venture electronic shock package, you know this is the legit way to take your Super Duty Covert right here at Akins, y'all. Stunning truck, so elegant, so rugged and refined at the same time. Up front, all the paint was just blue to black on the Ford emblem, 30-inch rigid light bar, nice and clean. Tucked in there, so pristine, directly bolted on top of that pad right there. But see, people ask us all the time about that. It direct bolts on because we like the sleekness that it showcases in that fashion. The 37 on 22s is timeless. The ride quality and balance that present, impeccable. This is the full Mac Daddy Carly kit, fully optioned with radius arms, drop down bracket, Diva progressive leaf pack in the rear, Carly torsion sway bar with N-link, painted the bed steps around a gate black to elevate the appeal, custom bedside graphics, matte black over silver, FX4 off-road, one nation under God. We are the strongest country in the world because of that right there. Not because of anything else, because of our heavenly perspective and foundation. Then when you roll right here to the back and see this limited applique, second to none, brushed aluminum showing top and bottom, side pieces, limited letters, so elegant, so tasteful. Wild Willies, rigid SRQs painted to matte, along with a Retrax EQ power bed cover. This works on the app or on your remote. Mild to wild scale, it's a 22x11, zero offset. You know what's the money setup for real deal? Sticking out about 2.5 to 3 inches. Mild to wild scale, mid-level range is perfect. Horn blaster train horn in the back, and the E-Click electronic shock package hanging out in the back too. The separator on the inside is not our LED interior light kit or our Starlight headliner. It's that Admiral Blue with Alcantara suede inserts, those pillow top diamond stitch perfection multi-contour. The interior color on this truck is a complete separator. It makes a huge difference. The whole inside of the truck just feels completely different when inside it, unlike any other truck, and that's what makes this limited a one-of-one diamond. We got train horn, let's test it. Gotta have our aux switches on so the compressor can be on. Now we test it. Oh, my bad, bro, my bad. And I mentioned before, your menu screen for your E-Click E-Venture system is all right here. Can dial in those parameters at each corner. Highly customizable for your driving style. And I noticed this little bass knob right here. Let's see what we're working with. Something special to show you. Check this out. Money setup. MTI acoustics knocked it out of the park once again. Dual downfire sub combo, beating the block down. That's how we do. Limited elegance. We take stock trucks every single day and turn them into these amazing custom renditions, and that is totally epic to me. Along with the trust you all give to us and allowing us to do that is truly something that fires me up, and I don't take it for granted. I'm never going to let you down. In delivering our promise of being the leader across the entire country for custom unique vehicles that exemplify and accentuate your personality, taste, and interests. Also hooked them up with Wild Willies LED rock lights, 110 lights per application, putting out a ton of light, looking amazing at nighttime. But most of all, it's a benefit for your nighttime maneuverability with that 360 camera. Greatly improves that. Big shout out to our guys up at the shop, Jansen, Austin with the paint. Been a long time endeavor on this truck. Kenny Fletcher's been working with this great customer back in late 2024. But with Wild Willies, knocked it out of the park. JTX, Carly, the partnerships and combinations that we have make the difference. Along with our creative minds and vision to go next level, that's real deal. Mason with a 10-year ceramic coat. The biggest separator between this truck in my personal truck, as you can see right here, is that mine always stays dirty. It does not have ceramic coat on it, and this one is just crushing my soul, y'all, because this is like glass. Perfect addition to any vehicle, but especially a black one. Ceramic coat with Mason right here at Wild Willies, game changer. So live that custom is greater than stock lifestyle and keep rocking it with great pride. I love y'all. Christ does as well, and our great customers and followers. Peace out. Lot boys, rolling 2.